shocking autopsy. And it's my turn.
The bullet. Take a look at this one.
There's no way I'm not getting shocked. Ah! Shit.
He's so apprehensive.
Shit, I can't hold the camera. I can't hold the camera. Come on, come on,
Can
do
I
it.
just pretend and skip my turn?
No, you can't.
Get some! Get some!
I can't help but hold it while it shocks you.
Tell us which one you're doing well.
Is it rolling?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Alright, the bullet.
Where's the bullet?
There's
Right
the bullet.
there.
Alright, here's the bullet.
The bullet is the one that just shocked both of the other contestants here.
I don't even think this is...
Come on. Come on.
Quit laughing to get in there, buddy.
This is serious business.
Stop laughing. Stop that laughing. I can't concentrate. The music is brilliant. Stop it.
I can't help it. I don't know what's How did that feel? How did that feel? How did the bullet treat you?